It's time to hit the road. Hop into the little red car and get ready to discover the history and culture of New York through its tapestry of rich musical traditions. We'll explore and celebrate many of the cultures that make New York one of the most diverse and greatest cities in the world. Welcome to today's episode of New York Stories. I'm really excited to learn about yet another one of New York City's many diverse neighborhoods. Let's see what their music sounds like. Where do you think the little red car will take us today? Could it be A. Ridgewood, B. Hell's Kitchen, or C. Little Caribbean? If you answered C, you were absolutely correct. Welcome to Little Caribbean. Little Caribbean is home to the largest and most diverse Caribbean American Latino community outside of the West Indies. Little Caribbean is a thriving community where West Indians from the entire region live, work, and play, and commemorate the history of the Caribbean diaspora in New York City. Little Caribbean is located in and around the neighborhood of Flatbush, which is one of Brooklyn's original towns. Since the 1960s, Afro-Caribbean immigrants from Barbados, Grenada, Guyana, Haiti, Jamaica, Panama, Trinidad, and other island nations have begun to call this neighborhood home. There is a 50-year-old tradition that is upheld each Sunday at Drummers Grove within Prospect Park, as locals of Little Caribbean pay tribute to their African ancestors who brought their musical traditions to the West Indies in the 17th century. There's a mobile gallery called Caribbean House, which is housed inside an upcycled shipping container and is used as a mobile art and cultural and market space to host exhibitions, cultural happenings, and curated pop-up shops featuring Caribbean and Latino artisans from New York City and in the Caribbean. Caribbean House is currently stationed inside Prospect Park, so make sure you check it out next time you're in Prospect Park. Maybe even see Drummers Grove too. An instrument you will often see being played in Little Caribbean is the steel pan or steel drum. The steel pan is a musical instrument originating from the Caribbean islands of Trinidad and Tobago. It is a pitched percussion instrument, sometimes made from the bottoms of 55-gallon industrial drums. Steel pans are played using a pair of straight sticks tipped with rubber. And some musicians even use 4 pan sticks, holding 2 in each hand. The sticks are used to strike the steel pan in specific spots, which are marked by a kind of oval shape. Each oval shape makes a different pitch, some higher, some lower. While the steel pan is the national instrument of Trinidad and Tobago, it is loved all across the Caribbean and, of course, New York City too. For our activity today, we're going to clap along to a famous song called St. Thomas. St. Thomas is among the most recognisable songs by jazz tenor saxophonist Sonny Rollins, and it draws upon his Caribbean heritage. The song is about the island of St. Thomas in the US Virgin Islands, and is based on a nursery rhyme Sonny Rollins' mum once sang to him as a child. So here we go with St. Thomas. First of all, listen along and see if you can hear where the claps go. And then, I'll give you a signal when to join in. Great job, everybody. It sounded fantastic. I can't wait to see you again for another New York story.